today for Christina.
No?
No school. Today, Christina.
She have school.
Today.
Uh-huh.
Today.
Uh-huh.
Oh, you want it. Play with her.
See? Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda. No! Is this a cherry? Cherry blossom?
I don't want to hold the strawberry. I want it to fall.
Ay, Diyos ko, Mayo Marimar Victoria. Oh. Ganda. I'll take a picture. Say, hi guys. Say hi guys. Oy. Say, hi guys. Busy, oh. Busy. Busy magkaon og. Punta kami dagat. Labas-labas din pag may time. Papi, nice weather, no? Nice weather. I love it. Hold! So, tingnan mo kaarte na bata. Ayaw niya na mabasa yung kanyang kamay ng duga ng strawberry. May tissue man. We have tissue. Okay, go na. Taol-taol ng iro. Struggle is real si Victoria. Oh.
I'm done.
Aning kamot.
I'm done.
Pwede pa man yan, nak. No! Put it back. I will eat that later. Karte mo. Sige na, lagay mo. Malapit lang ang dagat dito sa amin. Okay. Ang way sudlay-sudlay ni gawas. Okay.
Hold it.
Give it to Papa.
Puppy.
Papi.